What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cuffs Custom. So today, just want to do a quick video on how to adjust your belt tension. I know it's in one of my other videos, but a lot of people have been asking, so this is how you do it. So you will need the weld nut holder so your adjustment does not spin on you when you're torquing it down. The axle nut torque is 105 foot-pounds for my 2019 Road Glide. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, your belt deflector. You can see the belt in the window here, the bottom of the belt. Each of these is 1/16 of an inch. So it needs to be between 1/4 and 7/16. So roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. It'll be right in the middle here. I marked mine white. I will show you how to use this tool. Let me grab it. You need a belt tension gauge. You're gonna go ahead, you're gonna set this to 10 pounds, which is there. You're gonna take the cradle, put the belt inside of it, and you're going to, it needs to be between 1/4 and 7/16. So this, each one of these is a 1/16. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5.5 lines. I marked mine white. So you're gonna take this, you're going to push up until it hits 10 pounds, which it's there, and I am right at 5.5, so my belt deflection is good. And that's how you check it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTUMZ. Thanks guys, be cool, stay safe.